welcome back to another edition on Money on Mondays. And what are we here to do? Save some money. Let's talk about car repairs and car maintenance. Shall we?
Shall we begin?
Money on Mondays. Listen, most people don't really realize this, but you don't have to have a car payment. You can get a used car and drive a car without making a car payment. It's possible. But in the midst of that, even if you do have a car, that car is going to get old and it's going to need some maintenance. Around about 100,000 miles, a lot of cars start having problems. You know, it's just a natural way things in life. Just like you, as you age, you have needs. But the important thing is this. We want to make sure you're keeping up the maintenance on the car. Getting that oil changed, getting those tires rotated, getting those spark plugs replaced. I used to work at AutoZone and O'Reilly's all through college, and I also worked at Merchant's Tire changing tires and oil. So I spent a lot of time under the cars and I've been burnt by a lot of hot oil. Hot oil hurts, but my hands came out okay. But the thing about it is this, I would see so many people coming in not taking care of their cars, and before they would actually make some repairs on their car, they'd rather go get a new car. Now why would you do that? Car payment can be what, $400 or $500 a month? $400 or $500 can repair your car for the next 6-7 months. If you get a good mechanic, or you can do some of these things your own. Now, some things that you can do at home are this. You can definitely check the pressure on your tires. You can check the oil in your car. You can take it to a service station to get your belts changed, get the voltage on your battery checked, and to see if there's voltage on your alternator, if there's enough current on your alternator. These are some things that you can do on your own. You don't always have to go run to a mechanic and spend all that money to get things fixed. YouTube is a great place to learn to fix your car. I had a 1999 Honda Accord before the car I have now. I actually learned how to replace my distributor on YouTube. Now, if you're not a car person and you're not inclined mechanically, I would not do it. I'm not telling you to go out and break apart your own car. However, sometimes things get really tough and you gotta do what you gotta do. Everybody should know how to change a flat tire. Before you get done with this video, like this video, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that to see more videos. But in the meantime, before you get done with this video, I want you to go at home, pop your trunk, and see if you got a donut, and see if you got a jack, and see if you got a lug wrench. You need a jack, a lug wrench, and a spare tire or a donut to replace a flat tire. You don't want to be stranded in the middle of the night on the road and you can't replace your own tire. AAA takes forever to get to you, and sometimes you may not have AAA money. Therefore, you need to be able to take care of these things on your own. Cheap Not Broke is all about doing things yourself, finding the most cost-efficient, smart way to get it done, because we don't want to spend too much money with the mechanic. You got the mechanic with the cigarette. Hey, buddy, you know, you get some of those mechanics, they talking all that funny mechanic talk to you. Well, that's gonna be about $4,500. Well, why is it $4,500? Because I just looked at it, I've done this my whole life, and I know it's gonna be $4,500. Now, I can give you a discount of $3, and now that saves a little bit of change. You don't want to get with those kind of guys, they take advantage of you. You want to find a good sturdy mechanic or learn to do some things on your own. This is Cheap Not Broke. If you got any questions on simple car maintenance, if you have any questions on simple car maintenance, drop a comment below. Let me know. We can talk about it. Like I said, I used to work at O'Reilly's for a while. I worked at AutoZone. I know quite a bit about cars. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just very mechanically inclined, and I sold a lot of car parts, and I changed a lot of tires and oil. I hope you have a great Monday. Black Kung Fu. Subscribe. Also check out www.cheapnotbroke.com. Get a shirt. Support. See you next time.